Good morning, everybody. This is Tyler Armani Davis Buck. You know whose birthday is today? It's Mimi's birthday, and she's turned 19 today. So I am going to sing a song to Mimi's birthday. Here goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mimi. Happy birthday to you, and many more. So, make sure to comment down below to say happy 19th birthday, Mimi. And, make sure to say, what did you do for Mimi's birthday? And, Mimi's turned 19 years old, but she's a YouTube star from the 7 Supergirls. And, birthday is here with the birthday YouTube star. So, make sure you comment down below to say, happy birthday, Mimi D. I love you so much, and happy birthday. Bye.